So, very good morning to all. I, Dr. Anand Chaudhary from Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, would like to invite you all in this session where today we are going to discuss about mucosal drug delivery system. Now, it is a most common and most popular drug delivery system nowadays due to its unique features and advantages. So, we're going to discuss this particular session about these advantages, disadvantages, and a brief idea about this mucosal drug delivery system. So, in the introduction part, we can say a few things about the mucosal drug delivery system. For example, mucosal drug delivery system involve administration to moist cavities such as the lining of mouth, vagina, and bladders. Now, they are designed to achieve high drug concentration in the applied area and show better control on disease condition with comparatively less side effect. If you go for the definitions, then we must say the term bioaddition can be defined as a state in which two material, at least one biological in nature, are held together for an extended period of time by interfacial force. This is a concept based on which a mucosal drug delivery system may work. Now, as far as mucosal drug delivery system concerned, as I have told you, it is useful for local applications, means proper amount of drug concentration can be available in the local areas as well as for the systemic applications too. So, let's see the concept behind that drug delivery system. Being a part of mucosal drug delivery system, bioadhesive or mucoadhesive drug delivery systems are most common known name in this area. So, the concept of bioaddition or mucoaddition during 1980s, this concept was first introduced in applied designing of drug delivery system. It consists of incorporation of the adhesive molecule into some pharmaceutical formulation intended to stay in a close contact with the absorption site, thereby increasing the bioavailability and promoting the local and systemic effects. Now, if you example how this particular addition process taken place in the biological system, for example, in type 1, addition between two biological phases, for example, platelet aggregations and wound healing. When wound healing takes place, then platelet aggregation simultaneously going to taking place on that particular wounded area. Type 2, addition of biological phase to artificial substrates. For example, some of the modernly used engineering system which allow us to input some devices, for example biofilms, some prosthetic devices or some insert inside the body, and how this divided comes with in contact of the biological shell and tissues and how it's behave. The example shows the same way. For example, type 3, the addition of an artificial material to the biological substrate. Now, how it's taken place? For example, if I consider some hydrogel, synthetic hydrogel, they will come in contact of the soft tissue and simultaneously they start providing, creating one bond and providing the actions. So these are the few concepts on which the bioaddition actually going to play a role. They create an intermolecular forces and bonding with the tissues so that it can be kept in a contact, tight contact of the tissue for a long period of time. So in the next couple of slides we will going to discuss about the advantages, disadvantages and some associated factors with the mucosal drug delivery system.